SQA is an association of over 2,000 professionals who are dedicated to implementing good clinical practices, GCPs, good laboratory practices, GLPs, and good manufacturing practices, GMPs. These professionals work in a variety of sectors, including academia, agriculture, consulting, forensics, government, healthcare, and others. Because SQA attracts members from a wide variety of industries, you will find a diverse and welcoming community of the world's best QA professionals. SQA has 13 specialty sections that cover a range of areas of expertise, from GCP, GLP, and GMP, and specific areas like archiving, animal and veterinary products, pharmacovigilance, and more. There is a group for every QA professional. There are many benefits to being a part of a specialty section, including monthly calls and a very active online discussion board, SQA Connect, that allows members to share questions and collect feedback from your QA community. SQA's mentoring program is a valuable member benefit and is hailed by its participants as career-changing for both mentees and mentors. The meeting features 2.5 days of conference sessions with a mix of plenary sessions and concurrent presentations centered on hot topics in the QA field. Attendees can submit abstracts for oral or poster presentations as a way to share knowledge within the QA community. Presentations include selected podium presentations, roundtables, and panel discussions. A highlight of the annual meeting is the large presence of speakers from regulatory agencies, delivering podium presentations and participating in the regulatory Q&A session. This is an incredible opportunity to network with the QA community. Quality college courses are offered in the 2 days preceding the annual meeting and for a day and a half after. The courses offer in-depth training on a variety of topics. There is a mix of basic and introductory courses, as well as advanced topics. Courses are presented in a highly interactive format over the course of a half-day, full-day, or 2-day training. Earn units for your Registered Quality Assurance Professional credential and with your participation in both the annual meeting and quality college courses. SQA has an extensive library of online education. The SQA Online Learning Center features on-demand training courses available for purchase. Access anytime, anywhere you have an internet connection for up to a year. Bulk discounts are available. Webinars are typically sponsored by specialty sections on topics of relevance to members. There are countless opportunities to learn with SQA hosting between 8 to 15 webinars throughout the year. Webinars and the full library of past webinar recordings are free to SQA members. You can earn RQAP units for viewing live presentations and recorded webinars. Visit our website to learn more and join the community of the world's best QA professionals.